Let's create water that doesn't freeze. Yes, that's right. The same kind that splashes in oceans among icebergs. And for this, we'll need just one ingredient. Let's fill 2 containers with water, color it, and add salt to one of them. After 3 hours in the freezer, regular water will obediently turn into ice, while salt water will remain liquid. It's all about the freezing temperature. Pure water crystallizes at 0 degrees, but create a salt solution and its freezing point drops dramatically. The more salt, the lower the temperature at which salt water will turn into ice. But everything has its limits. If we cool our solution below -21 degrees, it will freeze too. And now for the most beautiful moment. Let's draw a symbol with this water on black paper and let it evaporate. We'll see that the star won't disappear, but will appear as sparkling crystals. This is that very salt that prevented the water from freezing. Give it a like if you enjoyed this scientific trick.